Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be installing Mangaka Linux. So this is another Linux distribution that is inspired by manga and anime that a friend of mine suggested to me after I released my Mobile Ubuntu video. And so powering up the virtual machine, and Mangaka Linux is based on a variety of different versions of Ubuntu, I believe. And this specific version of Mangaka is the Chew version, which is based off of Ubuntu with Cinnamon. I have to run it in software rendering mode, or else it won't be captured by OBS for some reason. But I think it has to do with like one is using one card, one is using the other card, because in this system I have two graphics cards. And yeah, as you can see, this is actually the second take of the video because I didn't realize Accelerate 3D graphics was enabled by default, so I needed to redo it. But I will install now. Erasing it. Continue. And so yeah, I was expecting it to give me a prompt for like entering a username and password, but I guess it won't. So yeah, I'll be back when this finishes installing. Okay, so it has finished installing. So let's restart, and I'll need to I had to change the boot order so it would boot off the CD. So I'll need to get into the no, it automatically disconnected the CD from the machine, so that is fine. I wonder if this is actually doing something or if it's just hung up. But it's a live disk, so it shouldn't hurt anything to restart it like that. And here we have it. Um, let's just change that resolution. See how that looks. Better. See if I can get something 1400 by 900. Cool. I'll go with that because I don't want scroll bars, but I also want a good amount of space. So yeah, apparently this has a bunch of extra applications and stuff. So let's see what all this has. I mean, of course, it has the visual novel engine. Um, let's see. Ooh, TeamViewer. Nice. FileZilla. Let's see. This has Wine pre-installed. Actually. I am going to try something. I agree. Given that this is Wine installed, I figure, why not, you know, why not try a Touhou game? So I'm just going to download Perfect Cherry Blossom. And they do have a Discord server. Very good server. And I believe it is download link 2. No, it's download link 1 that works. Yeah. So I can just download this. Download anyway. I'll just have that downloading while I continue looking around. Ah, cool. Yeah, they did a really good job with modifying this. Let's see. Oh, I wonder what the super user password is. Um, okay, so it's not so I can't get NeoFetch, but hopefully I can get some system information. There we go, system info. Yeah, this is based on Ubuntu 14.04. And also our download finished, so I'm surprised the archive manager can't open RAR files. Um, anyway, this is a pretty simple task. I'll just, shut this down. Actually, I might not need that. There we go. Let's try that. Um, that is incorrect. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Ah, there we go. I mean, I don't necessarily need NeoFetch anymore, but I'm gonna install it anyway because why not? Oh, all right. This, I bet you, the repositories aren't all that, you know. I bet you the repositories probably aren't up to date. Uh, I could do apt-get upgrade, but I'm gonna try playing Touhou 7. Please tell me this has DirectX, or else I'll need to download. Ah, yes. There we go. Okay. So yeah, that that's basically Mangaka Linux. It's pretty cool, honestly. Not Yeah, I mean, it looks really awesome. If I wanted to do like a themed install of Linux, then this would be something that I would choose to install maybe. And this or Ubuntu probably, so yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. I hope you have a good afternoon.